Start. Alleging cruelty and desertion against the husband, the appellant wife approached the matrimonial court under section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act (stat) hereinafter referred to as the Act close, praying for dissolution of her marriage with the respondent by a decree of divorce. She also prayed for direction to the respondent to return her ornaments given to him at the time of marriage. The family judge allowed the petition and dissolved the marriage of the parties on the ground of desertion by the husband. The appellant was also granted a decree of rupees 12,000 towards the price of the scooter, allegedly given at the time of the marriage, and payment of rupees 500 per month as permanent alimony. Both the husband and the wife preferred appeals against the order of the family court, as the wife was not satisfied with the part of the order refusing to grant a decree in her favor in respect of properties claimed by her, and the husband was aggrieved by the order of dissolution of the marriage by a decree of divorce. Both the appeals were disposed of by the impugned order, holding that the appellant wife herself was a defaulting party and neither the allegations of cruelty nor of desertion were proved. The order passed under section 27 of the Hindu Marriage Act and for permanent alimony was also set aside. The grievance of the appellant wife is that the High Court was not justified in setting aside the findings of fact arrived at by the family court, and that she had proved the existence of cruelty and desertion against the respondent. It is contended that as the appellant wife was proved to have been living separately, it was to be presumed that the respondent had deserted her desertion, for the purpose of seeking divorce under the act, means the intentional permanent forsaking and abandonment of one spouse by the other without that other's consent and without reasonable cause. In other words, it is a total repudiation of the obligations of marriage. Desertion is not the withdrawal from a place but from a state of things. Stop. Desertion, therefore, means withdrawing from the matrimonial obligations, that is, not permitting or allowing and facilitating the cohabitation between the parties. The proof of desertion has to be considered by taking into consideration the concept of marriage, which in law legalizes the sexual relationship between man and woman in the society for the perpetuation of race. Stop.